Hey, first graders. So today you will be completing your last journal entry in your butterfly journal. And so what you're going to see today is you are going to see a painted lady butterfly come out of its chrysalis. And so for today's journal entry, I want you to pay really close attention to the video. I don't want to just read, I saw the butterfly get out of the chrysalis. I know you saw that, but I want you to write more. I want you to write, how did the butterfly break through the chrysalis? What was it doing? And what did you see after it came out? Did you see any of the butterfly's body parts? Were you able to see the wings? Did you see its antennas? So I really want you to take careful notes because it's your last journal. So make it the best journal entry. And if we were in school, we would have had painted lady butterflies in our classroom. However, since we're unable to, I thought this was just a great way for you to observe the different stages of a butterfly. And I hope that you enjoy doing your journal. I can't wait to read it. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, first graders.